Yeah, I know. That's why I don't bring this in school. Yeah. Where's the...
You guys messaged them?
From Save. That's why I was like, no.
Yeah, that's why I asked what's your closest cousin's name ba? You shouldn't send her video.
She sent me a text na lang.
You really are cousins.
They're so happy.
Do you like it? Was it good?
Yeah.
Si Rachel lang yung
My gosh, it's embarrassing.
Should have just something.
Email to Michael. Start.
Oh, it's just the video they...
Oh my gosh, they're
Yeah.
both in Manila.
Ah.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah, you saw it already.
I saw this one, they tagged
My gosh! I'm so
They
sorry.
did this in the Philippines too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, it's my cousin's birthday and then they did it then. Did you message them? Oh, yung totoo?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Kat Santiago. Diba?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, hold on. I'll just send this to you. Oy. I'm
I'll
so
watch it
sorry.
tomorrow. Ito pala yung salang video. Kaya pala hindi nag-reply. Sabi ko, anong video? Uy, niread lang ako.
Huh?
Sabi, see?
Cause she messaged me man. She said ano daw. She said when will show it daw.
Yun, nakarap sa akin. Umiinom ako.
8% ano daw?
8%
Juice.
sulfur acid. Excuse me po. The pizza is under the... Wait, is it on? Yeah, it's been on now. Oh my gosh. I've been
Don't
posting.
worry, I'm gonna send it to your mom.
Ayun po tita, 8% alcohol po
8%
yan.
duct tape.
Ay, tingnan po, lasing na Alam mo sabi niyo, kanina pang po yun sa
Bes.
kotse.
You take one first. Everything.
Ito na.
Kumuha ng isa. Oh, inyo na yung isa.
There's a microwave upstairs if you guys want to
Ay, okay lang.
Sanay sa lamig.
Oy, nag-gets ko lang yun. I just got it. Oy, put that on the video.
Yeah.
Put it, extend
Hindi,
it.
kumuha ka.
Ay,
What time did you get here?
like, 5.
They got here around like 9.
Yeah. Then, the roller coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah,
roller coaster.
you guys took a different route. That route you guys went is longer.
It took us there.
It's longer.
Yes.
Which one did you go to?
Where
At
we got
least
here.
we had fun. The
Which one
roller
did you go
coaster.
to? Did you go through
This.
Kansas?
No.
She went to Sam.
Yeah. Green. I went with green. I just went straight lang.
Mm.
It's not curvy at all. And then I...
Yeah, well, you went on a different road then.
Yeah.
Shot it, Kirby.
Sa amin, winding talaga. Tapos